quickly test this out, I'm going to go to the car wash. Go ahead, power my car on. Boom, instantly on. I'm going to go to navigation. I'm going to black out some of it for a minute. Okay, so after a while it should come up green here. That means the GPS signal is working. I'm assuming the 6, the numbers, like I had a 5, now I have a 6, is just like how many feet or meters of accuracy. Now, I want to go to the car wash because it's like 6 in the morning, and who doesn't want to go to the car wash at 6 a.m.? So, 47th, it's somewhere around here. So if I tap and hold, and I hit go, this uses Waze. So once you hit go now, it's going to start navigating you. So I turn my radio to 95.7 because that's just what I have the mirror going through. By the way, that's what this is. If we go over to FM and tap that, that's what frequency you can set your radio for to get the audio from the mirror onto your radio, which is actually really nice and convenient. So I tap home, I'm going to go back to navigate, and I'm going to take off and see what happens. So it takes a little while to get going, I'm not going to lie, it takes a block or two. But after that, see, I just passed a car. Oh, that's why my radar detector's not on, that's why I didn't pick it up. But it takes it a second or two to get going, the GPS to really kick in. But once it does, I mean, it's actually seems to me, in the very short amount of time that I've used it, to be pretty accurate. So like I said, we're just going to go to the car wash. I'm just going to see which way. Let's see, take Maple. That's what way I usually go because I believe that's actually the fastest way. So I am going to take Maple. As you can see, you go around a roundabout, and it takes a split second, but I mean, it's still pretty responsive. The only thing I don't like is even with this here set to have the audio go over my radio, it still doesn't seem to be talking to me even though I do have that on.